Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will explain how to fix app notification silent or no notification sound on your Samsung devices. So if you have any Samsung device running the One UI 7 or One UI 8 beta version, several users facing the no notification sound when they receive the notification for specific application. So if you are facing this notification issue, apply this setting to fix it and you can listen the notification sound or notification tone. So first of all, make sure open the notification on your device. So go to the settings on your device, scroll down up to the application, tap on apps, select the application you want to face the notification issue. So first of all, we open any app like Google Chrome. So you can open your app, tap on the notification. Make sure to turn on the allow notification setting to show the notification on your device. If you're facing the notification sound issue on your device, so here you can find the notification category option. If you can't find this notification category option on your device, so you need to first go to the settings on your device. Here you need to search the notification category, search for the notification category. So check for the notification category, go to advanced settings. Now here you can see the manage notification category for each app. Make sure select this option to set the specific app notification sound on your device. So toggle on this option manage notification category for each app on your Samsung phone. After enable this feature, now open the app drawer and long press the application you want to set the notification sound. So here we use the Instagram application, long press it, tap on the eye icon on your device, tap on the notifications. First of all, toggle on the option if disable it. So toggle on this option. Now scroll down and you can see the notification category option. Tap on it. Now here you can see the messages, message request. So tap on the messages. Now tap on the sound option and here you need to select the sound you want to use. That will helpful to fix the app notification silent or a no notification sound problem on your Samsung device. So apply this setting to fix this notification sound issue on your Samsung One UI 7 or One UI 8 beta version. That's it. If you like it, share it.